Hello people, welcome again to this channel. So today we will talk about iPhone, and I would like to show you the way how you can revert the editing picture that you have been edited with your photo library on iPhone. So here I would like to show you the way how you edit the photo first. Open your photo library and then you just need to type and edit, and then you just need to do the editing here. So mostly I use this editing features on it iPhone for adjusting the color grade of my picture. So you just need to do the color grade here by all of the things that already provided by the iPhone itself. I will do adjusting more about the exposure and the shadows, as well as the contrast too, and the brightness, and also the black point. It also worked for me. And after done, you just need to go click done. So this will be the picture that I just added with the photo. So the original one, I already have one here that I saved. So this is the original one, and this is after I added to color grade on it. So if you want to back to the original, you just need to go tap it and go click edit again, and there will be a revert options there. So you just need to go click it and confirm that you want to revert it into the original, and you're done. So this is the original version of your picture. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this a lot, and let's get into other tutorial.